In this lecture, we are going to do our first input and output exercise. So, first, I'll ask you to only copy and paste this expression without, for now, explaining you what is going on with this, why it is written this way, because, again, it is too early for a beginner to understand this, but don't be frightened. We will explain later in the course what are objects. Right now, all you have to understand is when I want to make do an input, this means the user, in this case you, wants to be able to write something inside the console and the program catch it, stores it in variable, I will have to write this expression. But I'm telling you, it's an object of type scanner which is initialized, and at this point the variable named sc will let us collect the user entries inside the console. All right? So just write it this way. We are going to do an output saying enter first number to add please to our user. And then we are going to collect the user number. So at this point, the program will stop, will wait until the user will write something inside the console and hit the enter button. As soon as the user will hit enter button, we will have a variable of type int named number1 initialized with the value that was uh, entered by the user inside the console. All right. So if I hit 5 and press enter at this point, number1 will have as value 4. All right. Did I say 4? If I write 4, I will store 4. Sorry. And then at line 47, I'm going to make an output to make sure we well collected it. And we are going to make an output with our variable number1. We collected a 4, so we want something in the console with 4 written. Okay? So let's do it. Let's run our program this way. And as you can see, I got an output with enter first number to add please. And at this point, you have to understand the program is at line 46, waiting for me to enter a digit, the number. And as soon as I hit enter button, it will initialize my variable of type int called number1 with what I will write on my keyboard. All right, so let's do it. All I have to do is to click on my console and I will hit 5, for instance. I'm going to hit enter button. Here we go. And the program keeps going after I hit enter button and is making, an output with your number is plus your number is 5, And what is happening here is something new for you, is what we will call concatenation, So we concatenate two things. The first thing is a string, all right? So, and the second thing is a variable. But system.println method will be able to concatenate a type int with a string, and at the end will provide only a string. All right. So to make the things simple and easier to understand, all you have to do is put variables what you need to see in an output. Write plus if you want to concatenate it with another string, and you'll be good to go. All right, so one more time. I'm running. I'm making an output, enter first number to add please. I click inside the console. My program is waiting here at line 46. I'm hitting 5 and I press enter. Boom, my variable number 1 was initialized with 5 and I'm concatenating it with a string at system.print in a println, sorry, at line 47. So I'm having an output with your number is 5. I recommend you to do this one more time if you need, 2 times, 3 times. Feel free to do it as many times you need to be more comfortable with it. Play with this. As usual, in my course, I recommend you to play with the concept I'm giving to you. Imagine more exercises. Imagine 2 variables, 3 variables, collect them, etc. Play with it. Make sure you're understanding the mechanism of collecting an input or making an output. And as soon as you'll feel comfortable with it, I'll catch you in the next lecture with our first really exercise.